Alright, in today's video we are going to see how to install this package for documentation in our Laravel project. Let's go. Head over to this URL, link in the description, okay? And copy this command and paste it in your terminal. This is getting installed. Ignore this line as it is not required for us. Okay. Now it needs a publication of your this config file. So copy this command as well and paste it in your terminal. It says the publishing has complete and your config file has been stored in the config folder in the scribe.php file. So let's go and check it. I'll just go inside. Let's say Scribe.php. Okay. Here is your Scribe document, the entire configuration file of your Scribe package. Okay. We will leave it as it is for now, and as and when required, we will update this entire configuration file wherever necessary. Okay, you can also go through it if you want. Next up, I will see how this application looks like if we run the application server. So I'll go again my terminal switch and turn on my server. Slash docs. Oops, you see, for this is the content where your application will be staying altogether. The application, that the API that you will be writing will be stored inside this public/docs folder. Okay, but before that we need to configure whether we want to generate the static files or in the Laravel format. We will go in the starting format. So come to your terminal, open a new tab and fire this command php artisan scribe generate. What this will do, it will go into your api.php file. It will collect all the routes that are listed in this file and create a docs folder inside the publics folder. Okay. Now if we go and check it on the browser, you will see that the application has been started. All these changes can be done through this in the configuration file that comes with Scribe. Go ahead and check it on your own. We will be seeing how to configure this in the upcoming videos. Do subscribe for my channel and like, share and comment on this video. Thank you.